Cobra Trading is having another Trader Meetup. That's right, they've already had one in the past and it turned out great. You were able to meet tons of new traders and your favorite Twitter traders. The traders that you probably follow every single day on Twitter, they will show up and you have the opportunity to meet them as well. I actually went to the last Trader Meetup and it was such a great time. I was able to mingle with so many different types of traders, and that's the funnest part of meetups. You build new relationships with people who are interested in the same thing that you are interested in. I know what it's like when you are at home trading, you feel alone. You don't get to meet a lot of people who like trading. Trading can be very lonely. In fact, when I was at the last meetup, I met a couple of traders who've been trading for years consistently and having success, and I had no idea they existed, but they showed up because they wanted to meet other traders. So you're gonna meet people who've been doing this for years. You're gonna meet people who are all over Twitter and people that you look up to every single day and you look for their tweets, and you're gonna meet the new people. So no matter what level you are, I think it's valuable for you to show up. And it's gonna be in Texas, and our question for you is, should it be in Dallas, Austin, or Houston? Let us know by commenting below which city you'd like it to be at, and if you can, a venue that you would like it to be at as well. And if you're thinking, I'm just not sure I wanna go, stop. You should go. Trust me, I know tons of traders personally who go to every event they can, and they don't go to learn how to trade, they go to mingle and meet other people. And you're gonna be able to share contact information, share Discord information, and build long-term relationships with these other traders. And I think that is invaluable in itself. And the fact that Cobra Trading is gonna host this event for you to go meet other people who have similar interests is a no-brainer for you. So go ahead and put your vote in which city you want and which venue you would love to see it at, and we look forward to seeing you there.